another toy, which is called Pocket Watch Ryan Will Toys. So, if you don't know who Ryan is, he's a YouTube channel that now has his own toy place. So you can buy these at Walmart. So, for this one, you have, and it's called Ryan's Will Toys. So you got Red Dicing Gus, which is the gummy gator, which is another YouTube channel, which is Ryan's friend. If you want to see him, you can check him on YouTube. He's awesome. He has lots of videos. He does lots of stuff. He has these, so make sure to check him out. Throwing this, so let's see who I got. Ooh, who did I get? No! Combo Pandas are rare! It's the one did it come with a set? Did it come with one of those? Oh! I got the rarest character! Oh, but we got the rarest character. I'm gonna just lay that right there. Combo is another friend of Ryan. And this is the rarest character you can get. And he gets a big, fat 10. Because he's very squishy. You see how stretchy he is. Well, he's pretty stretchy. Get in on his stretch meter.